Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up and respect on the Sunday. Yes, what I say? Yeah, so my people, I have two videos that I'm going to present to you in this video, and these videos are being talked about on social media. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that I've been recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show how a person had been restrained and the person had been detained by police within the country of Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video be recorded, but I got the understanding that the video is being talked about on social media for a certain amount of reasons. One of those reasons is because the video shows when a police officer hit a person with an object more than one time. And another one of those reasons is because the video shows when a person hit a police officer. I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been approached by police or law enforcers, viewers and subscribers. Now, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in the video. You can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to the situation where it is said that a person had been restrained and the person had been detained by police. So I'm saying to viewers and subscribers, no, I'm going to point out at least one thing about the whole situation. But I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to please bear in mind that this video shows a very hostile situation. Before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that I can hear persons yelling and shouting in this video. The video shows quite a number of persons, viewers and subscribers. The video shows law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. And the video shows when a police officer hit at least one person. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, my people, let me point it out, you see? I see wrong pan both angles then, or from all angles, I see wrongs then, you see what I say? Alright, so watch this now. when the man hit the police officer, that are trouble. And at the same time, the police officer somewhat, or some people that say lose professionalism or something like that, you know, like someone not totally acting professional when it comes down to the job that the person supposed to do or so forth. So me I say, so me say certain wrongs there so. You understand me I say, because a part of the video not only shows when the police officer hit the person with an object more than one times, but it's like the police officer do something like this or so. It really and truly set away my people. See? So me say wrong from all angles right there so. You know what I mean? How may I tell my people? You see me I say, oh, I'm going to point it out that I saw more than one piece of videos about this whole situation from two different angles. You see me I say? So I think that some people might have seen one video and get the wrong idea about the situation. So I hope that this video that I presented to you might give you a better understanding about the whole situation. So you can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong. You see me I say? Yeah, and when it comes down to videos being put out there, we don't show a good amount of certain things that happen when it comes down to certain situations, you have to be careful how you jump to conclusions. Sometimes you have to think. You see me I say? Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said that the person buy a phone, the phone giving trouble, and the person also mentioned a certain amount of days. Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, you can hear two persons talking about a phone, and it seems as if they had some form of disagreement about the phone. You might be surprised to hear some of the words that have been said in this video. I want you to listen carefully to some words that at least the two persons said in this video and tell me what they think. Here's a video. Observe.
Yeah, since 7:30 my waiting here. Everybody else coming and getting through. Everybody. I buy this phone here. In this place, electronics plus TP. They say no refund or exchange. The phone giving trouble, it makes 7 days yet. Bro, we'll go on my call and I message you.
Now let me tell you something, you're very disrespectful.
How are they disrespectful?
Secondly, it has proceedings you have to follow as a customer, and we have proceedings to follow.
No, I spend my money here cash, bro. I spend my money here cash.
Nobody never take your hands and brought you here to purchase your phone.
All you hear what is going on here? All you hear what is going on here?
We deal with a lot like you already, so just listen to me first and then you can...
No, let me tell you something. You have to tell me what it is you're doing, my bro.
What it is we're doing is you have to go and get the phone checked to make sure it didn't damage it. First thing first. When the technician calls us, they will tell us what to do after that. That is the proceeding. If it's Samsung you purchase, you have to buy Samsung. Right, uncle, you have a year warranty. If it's Redmi, you have to take it by the Redmi technician. We can't sell you a phone seal. You went your way, come back here and let me know we must change it. It don't work for...
No, well, I have an issue with... We have ID device, bro.
Right, if it have an issue, you have to carry it by the people.
So why you not answering me on WhatsApp or nothing like that?
I call 7 o'clock in the morning, partner, for nobody.
Hey, I'm messaging you since 5 days now, bro. Five days now I'm messaging you, right?
So, you have your receipt for your phone.
I'm a receipt there.
You're taking your phone to buy laptop, you have a technician, they will check your phone, assess it and call me and let me know what to do with your phone after that. That is nothing to do with it. If you have a phone with the Samsung problem, you can buy Samsung with a year warranty, they will change it or they will replace it for you after you...
So if I had to replace this device, right, and it had to replace, then go give me back a device?
They're not giving you no device, they will do up a letter for you to say that your phone have a manufacturing...
So I had to come back here to deal with you again?
Well, once it have a manufacturing defect, you will deal with us. If it have no problem, well, it can't get nothing from you. Only if it have a problem, this is... And plus, to be honest with you, Redmi don't have no warranty. Redmi has no warranty, Samsung have 1 year warranty.
So I lost 1,400 in here.
You see, you didn't start to listen.
No, when money is involved, bro, check. If you come by me and buy something, and it started the trouble before 7 days, and you're calling the person and answering, where you go feel like a smart man, right?
If you buy something from Toyota and it's under the warranty, okay, buy Masia, okay, buy Toyota.
Yeah, they carry where you buy it.
Yes, not where you buy it. Okay, the repair center in partner.
Alright, bro.
Right, take your bill, carry your phone to the technician, check it. Once he assess it and realize you have a manufacturer problem, they will change your phone for you or they will give you back a refund. If it have no problem, then you can't get a refund. You have to sell back your phone and buy a new one. Simple logic, bro. Nobody in
Nah, you can't sell nobody down if they're walking, bro.
Right,
If that the kind of smart man thing, I'll be on.
smart man.
Yeah.
So once you get the technician in, and let them sort you out. Once that one manufacturer you can, you call me and we will know what to do from there, right?
So they don't buy nothing in this place, eh? You not change, they're not changing it. Okay, innit?
You hear them words, them people? Hold on, I don't want to jump to no conclusion. So let me say these words that me I think these ways, eh? So if the person go to a technician with the phone, is it going to cost that person money to get the phone checked out? Because in my point of view, and based on me hearing in the video, and based on what the person said, right? I think it is safe for me to assume that the person already spent certain amount of money to buy the phone. So if something wrong with the phone and the person forgot to a technician, who is that technician? Is that technician a part of the team for that place, my people? Is it going to cost the customer money to get that phone checked out? You hear what the person say about sell in the video as well? My people, listen. I'm not trying to be disrespectful to no one. You see me? But you see me Dancehall skilla. That's why when it comes on to me spending my money, I'd rather go certain place. Because sometimes you might have said, Jano, I go there so and support this and Ray. But sometimes you might get a raw bargain or a hard deal. See? And you have some situations where the good suffer for the bad. But money not come easy nowadays. Well, family know me say money never come easy. But the thing about it is, my people, when me hear another video there, me no want sound disrespectful, but me I tell you the truth, something not right there, some people. So you tell me what you think. Me not think something right there, so something not sound right there, so to me at all. See me? Eh? I mean, if you buy something from Singer or Courts and if something wrong with it, like say an electrical appliance, right? I mean, think about it. If you make a complaint to Singer or Courts, what's going to happen? Singer and Courts, them are send them technician come look what go on, or what? You get what I say to you? You see me I point out? So all of them things are my people. Them things have me thinking. Come on, man. Come on. Something not sound right there at all. So my people, let me know what you think about that video. You can tell me who you think might be in the right when it comes down to that situation there that you can hear and see in the video. You can also tell me what you think overall. I just me all if it, you know. See? Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.